G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I've got a lot of weeds and taller grass in my front yard which I need to get rid of. So for this purpose I went to Bunnings today and got myself a very good deal with the Ryobi 18 volt line trimmer and the blower, and for $229, which is a very good price as a combo. It ran out for pretty fast, so I had to go to a Bunnings which is further away from my place to get this. Let's see what we find inside the box. I'll do the unboxing and I'll show you how it works. As you can see, this is Ryobi 18 volt blower and line trimmer kit, which is a very good deal for $229. It is all electric and cordless, and it comes with a 6-year warranty for the tool and 3 years warranty for the battery. The key thing is a 4 ampere lithium ion battery, which means it's a very powerful battery. Usually in this price range you get 2 ampere battery, which doesn't last that long and is not strong enough. In this case it's a 4 ampere, which is really good. And I will unbox it now and see what comes out of this. Okay, so this is all the paperwork. As you can see, it's come out of the box. Interestingly, I've gone through all these manuals and I can't find where it says how long do I need to charge the battery for the first use. I guess I just have to connect it to this charger and follow these symbols when they light up and when they will show it's ready and fully charged. So basically that's what I'm going to do. And the paperwork actually tells you some instructions. It's got warranty paperwork as well, which you can register I guess online or keep the receipt. Now we'll go ahead and assemble this together, the line trimmer. Make sure I don't cut the cable, just the plastic. So it clicks. Okay, so now is the time to put this guard onto the trimmer head. I'll take this off. Gonna go from here. Such. Fits in nicely. And the screws came out. These 2 screws. Will go over here. Bit more information about how the auto feeder spool works. Install trimmer guard before use. Yes, we've got that. Okay, I'll take this off. We can take these instructions off as well if you have put together the whole trimmer. Okay, the next step is to make sure the trimmer line is extended to the point where it touches the cutoff blade, which it does. Sorry about the dog in the background. And yeah, we'll put it to use and see how it goes. Alright guys, we're all set, ready to go. Got the battery. I'm gonna put it on like this and turn it on. Okay, to turn it on, I need to press this gray button, hold it, and the black button, black trigger at the bottom, press this and it will start the trimmer. Alright guys, I'm now going to put this to test over on this area. All this grass I'm going to trim and see how it go. I've already done the weeds where we had all the near the garage door. So they have all been cut, and I'm going to demonstrate now how I'm going to get rid of this in front of you. So I'll get to the pros and cons of this trimmer and the blower. The trimmer is good for the small yard, no petrol or fossil fuel, so it's good for the environment. It's clean and produces no toxic gases. Battery lasts for 40 minutes. It's lightweight, easy on the shoulders, and good for elderly people in comparison to the heavyweight petrol power trimmers. Now coming to the cons, the trimmer line wears out quickly and is too expensive. This is where probably Ryobi makes all the money. Blower is okay and does the job but lacks the power. It's very early to judge on the battery life, but going by the reviews of the people who have used the Ryobi equipment, the battery life is pretty good and it's going to last a long time. As you can see, the result in front of you. Okay, now I've trimmed my grass and the weeds. I'm done with the job. I would like to clean. I like to make sure that I clean this before I put it into storage. I use this brush to do it and get rid of all the crap as much as possible. Please do not use any solvents or pressure water via hose to clean your trimmer head and the safety guard, because it will only damage the plastic. So just use the brush as I'm showing you right now, and that'll be all good. And that's it. Take this battery and use it as such, and as you can see, all the crap which was here has been blown away in just one go. So I didn't have to come back and do it twice. So I think it's doing a pretty decent job. It's not too strong, but it's working well for me. The battery has run out. So now I'm going to charge this with this charger. You can see I put it on top like this till it clicks. And then I'm gonna put this adapter into the socket. It's already on. And we've got lights flashing. So when this light stops flashing, that's when we know the battery is fully charged. So after being on the charger for 3 hours, the battery is now fully charged and the light has stopped flashing.